mind, hair is the ruin. Hello my beautiful people, how's everyone doing? So recently I had my hair colored blue and in just about a few washes it faded, and now I am left with this sort of platinum and blonde thingy. And the whole reason of me getting blue color done was that I would have been left with this shade, and now I can play with it. So I got myself two shades. One is this purple color. It's from Special Effects and it's called Pimping Purple. The other is this Blue Jane Baby. This is from Arctic Fox. So today I have picked up this Pimping Purple from Special Effects, and I've heard really good things about this. I've heard that this stays for a very long time, and even if it'll fade, I'll retouch it. That's the plan. For this, I have a plastic bowl which will definitely be ruined, so use something that you don't care about at all. Some gloves, very important, a hairbrush which we use, and also a t-shirt, an old t-shirt which you don't care about. I have combed my hair thoroughly. It's not something I do very often, but today I actually combed everything up, and yeah, keep on watching. It's also advisable to have some petroleum jelly on your forehead, your ears, wherever this color could touch you. But I do not have any of that. But I have this lip balm, same base. So I'm going to use this because I do not want to look like I played Holi at work tomorrow. My hair is okay. I don't mind. Should probably take these off. So my strategy is to apply it on a strand and then see how the color is. So I'm just going to use some outside of the bottle and see how this works on my hair. Okay. Alright. Oh my god. Okay, wow. Shit, how will I operate my camera? This is difficult. I feel like I need help. This is the hair strand I just tested. I kept the color for just 5 to 10 minutes, and it has colored really well. So I now have some faith in this hair dye, and yeah, let's get the process started. I'm gonna take really tiny sections and keep applying the color on it. I have a feeling that everything in my washroom is going to turn purple now, because I'll just end up touching things and ruining things. Who cares? My hair is going to be purple. I'm almost done halfway through this side. This is tiring. We can do this. We have to. I can't go with purple on one side and blonde on the other. I could miss it. Do you see that? You really have to ensure that it reaches inside and coats every strand of hair. That is damn time consuming. I should have had some music on. I just hope it turns out nice, because this is time consuming. I'm thirsty but I can't go. I want to listen to some music but my hands are dirty. Alright, so yeah, we've covered everything in purple. Super excited, and I'm going to ruin my comb. This is the only comb I own, and I use it very rare because I do not believe in combing my hair. Curly hair, they look best when they're uncombed. So I'm just gonna wow, there's a lot that's left out. I'm just gonna do a big dunk of it and make sure that everything is covered on both the sides. This is fun, honestly. It's a fun activity. It's a bit time consuming, but it's fun, and I'm really excited about the outcome of this. How about you guys tell me about, your fantasies? What is it that you really want to do in life? Like, it could be anything. This was one of the things that I really wanted to get done. So anything, if it's a piercing, if it's a tattoo, if it's, just going somewhere, getting this done, getting that done, anything. Just write it down, or better, actually do it. Go do it. You just have one life. Why would you not live it? Yeah. I mean, I do not know if such Janam really exist, but this one does. Do the most in this Janam so that you don't have any regrets once you die, once you're in a deathbed, or wow, this turned out pretty soon. No, honestly, I think one should really experiment in life so that it's not boring and it's, you have fun. Experiments are so much fun. Alright, so I have this. Alright, so I'm going to keep this for maybe 1 hour. The packaging says to just keep it for 15 minutes, but I've seen a bunch of people keep it for longer duration, so I'm just gonna keep it for a good 1 hour. Wash these off because I'll have to wear this again when I wash my hair. Alright, so it has been about 1.5 hours, and luckily I had an extra pair of these. So I'm just gonna let this out. Let it breathe a little. And things definitely got colored here. Oh my god. I really hope the jelly that I put in helps. But we'll see. Okay, so I am gonna wash this and get back to you then. So I washed my hair and there was a lot of bleeding, which you can see. A lot of purple and a lot of pink came out from my hair, and but I thought it wouldn't be as visible because it'll look very dark, it'll almost resemble black, the other part of my hair, but you can almost see it. I don't know if you can, but I really can see the purple. I'm gonna let it air dry and I'll get back in about 2 to 3 hours and we'll see how it looks. Hey guys, so I ended up sleeping because it was pretty late at night while I was dyeing my hair. And this is day after, this is me back from work. If you're able to see this color, even though I'm wearing black, it's a win-win for us. But no matter what, I love it, and hair is the reveal. Wow. Apparently this is the first time I have seen this on camera. I did not even click a picture because I'm lazy. It was a work day, it was a Monday. Damn, we should ban Mondays. What do you think about that? So this is the look. Actually, it's not that bad. I cannot stop looking at it. So I ended up tying it while at work. I had a bun and just a few people saw it and noticed it and asked me about it. Because I thought this was not work appropriate. It was too loud. But honestly, it looks kind of cute. I'll list out all the products that I used. If anybody is interested at all, that is. But yeah, this was a fun experiment and I cannot wait for this to, reach out. I'm gonna take pictures. I can take pictures every day and see how this looks, and and create a GIF. Oh my god, that's a genius idea. Okay, so I'll do that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll list down everything there is. This is my natural hair texture. Yeah, it was fun. took a while, but this was fun. Alright, bye bye. Shit, how will I operate my camera? This is tiring. Wow, there's a lot that's left. I should have had some music on. We should ban Mondays. Oh, I should have done it before and after. How do I stop you?